school just today? So today I thought I'd do a little deep conditioning, like chit chat. My hair's been acting pretty sus lately. If you play Among Us, let me know. I suck at being an imposter. So I picked this up from Marshall's a few days ago. It is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Butter Fusions Not Your Average Curl Bamboo and Avocado Protein Masque. So I haven't done like a protein treatment in a while, and I think that's why my hair's been acting up. I don't know. I usually do them once a month. So we're gonna see how this works. This is gonna be kind of like a review as well. It smells alright. I can't really describe how it smells, honestly. It smells like so many things. I don't know if I'm smelling cinnamon. I don't know if I'm smelling cinnamon. It has this like perfumey, earthy kind of smell. I don't know. It smells like so many different things. Very creamy, I would say that. You know, I like my hair products thick. So yeah, how you guys been? How you guys doing? Are you excited for Halloween, or is it just me? Honestly, I kind of wonder how Halloween is going to be this year. I decided to look it up, and they advise people not to go trick-or-treating because, you know, cesspool of germs. By the way, wear your mask, wash your hands. I wish I could describe the smell to you. I just don't know. Ooh, okay, soaking in. It feels nice. I'm going to thoroughly coat my hair in this. Like I was saying, I don't know how it's going to be this year. They advise people not to go trick-or-treating, which I understand, you know, cesspool of germs, but I feel like if the kids keep their masks on, and with the adults, and they get back to the house and the adult wipes down all the candy and checks all the candy, as they should be doing anyway, because people be sneaking stuff in the candy, I think Halloween shouldn't really be canceled. And there's a lot of like costumes and masks. On the top of my head, all I can think of really is the Power Rangers, which is what I saw a lot growing up, but I don't know if people want to be this year. Maybe, I don't know, split that section in half. I don't know. If I had a child, I think I wouldn't mind them going trick-or-treating if I'm with them. They keep their masks on, they behave, they don't act a fool. And the social distance thing, ooh. What if like in like a neighborhood, everybody got together and they decided that at each house that wants to trick-or-treat, they put like some tape or something in front of the house on the sidewalk, like at the grocery store, and like in long lines, so like everybody has to stay behind the tape. And if your house doesn't have tape in front of it, then they're not going to trick-or-treat at your house. So that way everybody's spaced out. The only downfall of that is you can't really go with your friends unless your friends have been like quarantined and like, you know, tested. So I don't know about teens. There shouldn't be any parties, I don't think. At least I'm not planning on it for real. That was low-key a good idea if people had like, okay, curls? Okay, wait. Okay, curls. So like I previously detangled my hair inside the shower, but there's some slippage, there's some slip going on. That would be so awkward if they had like a Halloween Zoom meeting. And I guess if you're not comfortable like going up to a house, I think people do like something called trunk or treat usually. Like if they go to like a giant parking lot or something and they go from car to car and everybody has their masks on. That could be a thing. Sure, get them ends, honey. The oldest part of your hair, never neglect them. I kind of want to do a video on like how important protein treatments are. If you don't know too much about protein treatments, comment down below and I'll make that video. But if y'all like pretty knowledgeable on what a protein treatment is, then you can scratch that off the list. Honestly, if my hair does not start feeling better soon, I'm debating going to like a professional salon and getting a trim. I've not been to a professional salon in like 5 years, so I'm a little scared. Like if it's just a trim, what's the worst that can happen? They cut off a little too much and I have to grow it back out. That's fine. But if you guys don't know, I love conspiracy theories, and I was looking up, you know, because I think Halloween is supposed to be like a full moon. There's a lot of different theories behind it, so it went down a whole entire rabbit hole, and I came across this channel that was recommended to me. It's called Astro Kits, and it was looking at like October predictions. So if you don't know, I'm a Capricorn, so I looked at what the Capricorn's predictions are for October. And I will leave a link down below on her video because she's pretty cool if you want to see your own predictions. So for Capricorn, it was like, what did it say? It said like, you're gonna be focused on careers, focused on hobbies, which people always say, you know, Capricorn is supposed to be workaholic. So I am low-key focused on a hobby. YouTube is my hobby. I like to do it when I have nothing else to do. So it said career oriented, and then it said you're gonna get hit up by an ex. I was like, ooh, please no. like, you're gonna be revisited by an ex. I'm like, okay, in October, all right, which one of y'all gonna do it? I don't know. And then I was like, it's now the perfect time for a Capricorn to be pregnant, and if you're not trying to be pregnant, baby fever is going to be an all-time high. I'm like, I already get baby fever, but the idea of getting hit up by an ex mixed with baby fever / pregnancy thoughts, that don't sit right with me. I just find it interesting. Like, I'm not the biggest horoscope zodiac person, but I find it interesting, especially when they read you, like they know kind of what's, not that they know what's going on, but like they say something that sounds like a similar situation of what's going on. I'd be like, ooh, is this real? I don't know. But basically it was like, it's Libra season and Mercury is gonna be in retrograde, and basically what did she say? That it's gonna be like a passionate month for Capricorns, like passionate in relationships, new and old, passionate with career-wise. It's in a mixture of like more people gonna be giving / it's gonna be like scammers out there. I don't know, it was just weird. But I am gonna link her video down below if you want to check out your zodiac sign. I really want to know, like, what do you guys' like Halloween costume ideas are? I have some ideas. I was trying to think about like what was actually popping during 2020, which was kind of hard to actually think about, but then I was like, no, there were some trends, some things that, you know, people could dress up as. Like, if you really wanted to, I remember wearing Tiger King. Is that what it's called? Tiger King? You'd be Carol Baskin. Killed her husband, whacked him. What else is there? Black is King came out with Beyonce, so you like copy one of her looks. Of course, WAP with Cardi and Megan, you copy one of their looks. I don't know if you really want to do that for Halloween. I don't know, Halloween costume is kind of tricky because like you want to be all scandalous, but it's low-key cold, so you want to be covered up, plus you should be wearing a mask. But I feel like whatever costume you pick, you could just wear a mask in that color or just wear black. What else is popping? Avatar: The Last Airbender. You could be any of those characters, and even Korra from The Legend of Korra. You could be any of those characters. People was revisiting their childhood. Honestly, emotionally watching Avatar: Last Airbender again, it just brought so many emotions, so many tears, so many secret tunnel. Like I just couldn't. The feels, my cabbages, I was like, wow, this is nostalgia right here. What else is a thing? Hamilton, Alexander. You can be Alexander himself. You can be any of the sisters. What is it? Angelica, Eliza, and Peggy. I mean, would anybody actually be Peggy though? I don't know. My Hero Academia, love that. Todoroki, bae. What else is there? I'm getting a lot of Naruto stuff. I don't know if it's because it's popping right now or just on my feed. Be any of the Naruto characters. Oh, Mulan came out, so you can be Mulan if you want to. I think I was Mulan one year. I don't know, I was going through them Disney princesses though, I remember that. But I think I was Mulan. What else was popping? Honestly, I don't even know if this is like a costume. This is like a random idea. You could be like a TikToker. So like crop top, sweatpants, or you can dress up as the TikTok that you made that has the most views. I wonder if when I post this, is TikTok still around? I hope it is. I'm taking like some pretty big scoops. How many ounces is this? This is 8 ounces. But it was $7.99 at Marshall's, so I guess like $1 an ounce. I need to take such big scoops. I get 2 uses out of this. Or you could be like dress up as TikTok, like the colors, and like have a RIP sign on or something like that. I don't know. It's like some humans you can be. Keke Palmer at the VMAs, her outfits were bomb. Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande, their performance was dope. I don't know if anybody has ever dressed up as a member of BTS. I don't know. I know there's songs, but I don't know if there's like a Halloween costume idea. Ooh, Zendaya, she just got an Emmy. You could be a character from Euphoria. There's probably gonna be a lot of kids dressed up as Black Panther. R.I.P. I swear, I'm gonna need 2020 to get better. If the 31st is when 2020 gets better, I'll be so happy. But if not, at least the year's almost over. What's one more thing that you could be for Halloween? What was popping? Animal Crossing. Animal Crossing came out and people they just died in. Everybody was playing Animal Crossing. I don't have a Switch, so I didn't play it, but everybody was playing Animal Crossing. So you could be like, either you can dress up as your villager, is that what they're called, villagers? Or you can be like your favorite character from Animal Crossing. I think BuzzFeed did a video on that where they like mimic their favorite character's outfit. That was cool. So far the application of this product is pretty decent. I'm not like wowed or anything. This entire time I'm really trying to understand this smell. It kind of smells like cinnamon, but it also smells like nature in a way, but also has like a little perfume hint to it. I don't know. I don't think avocado really has a smell. What is this? Avocado and bamboo. I honestly don't know what bamboo smells like. All right, lastly, I like to take a thin scoop and we're gonna strengthen up these edges where the parts are. Get them edges, girl. Your edges need some love too. Don't want to lose them, trust me. This is how much I used so far. I think I could get another use out of this, maybe 2 more. It says after applying cover hair with a plastic cap for 10 minutes. That seems like a really short time. I'm gonna like push that up to like 20-30. I didn't even read the thing. It says when Aunt Jackie's infuses the strengthening benefits of bamboo extracts with the nourishing qualities of avocado, the end result is a deep conditioning mask that promotes stronger, more beautiful, softer curls and coils with each use. The nourishment doesn't stop. For an added punch of protein, this fortifying recipe blends in rice protein, okay, and quinoa to promote healthier new growth, detangling, softening, and binding moisture to dry, thirsty tresses. This buttery conditioning mask is free of drying alcohols that rob hair moisture and mineral oil and petroleum that can clog pores and weigh hair down. Excellent moisture and conditioning therapy for all hair types and textures. Detangling, softening, and binding moisture. So far, detangling was pretty alright. I will let you guys know about this softening and moisture part when I rinse this out in about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll be back. Ooh, I look so shiny. Alright, fresh out the shower. Let's see. I mean, looks wise, my hair looks exactly the same. Detangling, it did that. Softening, I felt softer, but it feels alright. And binding moisture to dry. My hair doesn't feel like, you know, dry or anything. I still need to add a leave-in conditioner, but it feels alright. I think it looks pretty good. I got some coils popping in certain sections. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I don't know. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's not like crazy moisturized, but it's a protein mask, so I didn't really expect it to be that moisturizing, even though it does say like buttery. It did glide on like butter and it did detangle pretty well, but after rinsing it out, my hair doesn't feel amazingly soft. But I actually like this product a lot. It's pretty cool. It's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. It's nothing like extraordinary. It's just pretty chill. Oof, I hate when water drips down on me. Okay, so in this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below what Halloween costume you're thinking about doing, and if given the chance to go trick-or-treating, would you actually go? And yeah, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.